This video will guide you through the installation on pre-assembled stair panels. Please understand all instructions completely before starting any part of the installation. Prior to starting an installation of any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: appropriate fasteners for mounting posts to deck, miter saw with carbide-tipped non-ferrous blade, cordless drill, tape measure, level, power cords, drop sheets, and safety glasses, 3/16" drill bit, 6" No. 2 square drive bit. Stair panel kits include pre-assembled aluminum stair panel, top and bottom rail snap covers, hardware to attach the stair panel to 2 posts, and an install guide. Stair panels are available in 6 and 8 foot lengths and 36 and 42-inch heights. The actual length of 6-foot panels is 69.43 inches, and 8-foot panels are 91.31 inches. 3-inch posts are required to reach 6-foot and 8-foot lengths. Stair railing panels are shipped at a 37-degree angle, and panels are adjustable. Maximum post spans on stair railing application is 96 inches on center. Additional posts are required on any stair application more than 8 feet in length. Each post kit includes an aluminum post tube with attached base plate, post cap, and 2-piece base plate covers. Let's get started. First, we'll plan out and install the 3-inch posts. Note: rail clip jigs are only used for level panels and do not work for proper stair panel installation. For stair applications, lower rail clip placement will be measured after posts are installed. Install proper post blocking under each screw location. With 3/16" drill bit, pre-drill through deck boards and into blocking. For residential wood decks, secure posts to deck. Do not install post caps and 2-piece base plate covers until all panels are installed. Temporarily install end stair posts so rail centerline aligns with top stair posts installed. Recommend post installation locations are as shown. Now we'll install the pre-assembled stair panels. Position the stair railing panel along 3-inch top stair post and temporarily installed 3-inch bottom post. Position the panel approximately 1.5 inches above stair nosing. A helpful tip is to lay a 2x4 board flat on the nose of stair treads. This will allow enough room for installation of bottom snap. Clamp the stair panel against top and bottom 3-inch posts and mark the stair channels at all 4 locations with a sharp No. 2 pencil. Remove the clamps and cut the stair panel at all 4 locations, taking care to match the appropriate stair angle. Use of miter saw with a sharp non-ferrous blade is recommended. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on all exposed ends. After the stair panel has been cut to proper size and angle, place the panel on a 2x4 board or hold 1.5 inches above stair nosing between the 3-inch posts. Use a sharp No. 2 pencil to draw a line across the top of the lower baluster channel in 2 places. Remove the panel and bottom post, then attach the stair panel attach clips at marked location and fasten with No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws. Once the stair panel attach clips have been installed, reattach the lower 3-inch post to the bottom step or landing. Then place the stair panel onto the lower stair panel attach clips. After the lower extrusion is fully seated on the lower clips, insert the stair panel attach clips into upper extrusion. Secure the attach clips to the post with 2 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws. Then secure the upper extrusion to the stair panel attach clip with 2 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws. Repeat this same procedure for the upper extrusion of the lower post. When upper extrusion is secured to both attach clips, secure lower extrusion to lower stair clips with 2 No. 8 by 3/4 inch tack screws on both posts. Following the same angle as the secured stair panel, clamp or hold the top and bottom rail snaps against 3-inch posts. Using a sharp No. 2 pencil, mark them at all 4 locations. Remove the clamps and cut the top and bottom rail snaps at all 4 locations, taking care to match the appropriate stair angle. Use of miter saw with a sharp non-ferrous blade is recommended. Cut 1/16 inch less than opening size. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Snap each rail snap over the corresponding rail channel until properly seated. The snap cover should snap firmly onto the aluminum railing channels. Do not use a hammer. The top rails will snap by applying pressure from one end to the other. If you're having issues snapping on the covers, check the clips to ensure that they are bottomed out into the aluminum railing channels. ADA handrails may be required for residential deck installations. Check with your local building code official for more information. Maximum recommended span between posts is 6 foot on center. See separate ADA handrail installation instructions for configurations. Lastly, install the post caps and 2-piece base plate covers on all posts. Thank you for watching this video.